Hey everybody, we've had a really great day out there. Temperatures have been really warm, set and well, some ties and records in Augusta at 82 degrees, so quite the hot day out there, and it's been gorgeous. Now even with this, we've seen really clear conditions as well. Really no clouds left in the skies at this moment either. And we also have some nice conditions continuing out there. High pressure off to our south is allowing some warmer air to continue to make its way in here, especially with a warm front that's starting to move through the area. Only going to aid in that and help us warm up here a bit more over the next couple of days. Now overnight tonight, temperatures naturally going to dip here as we get into the evening and overnight hours. So temperature is going to get to around 50 degrees, give or take a couple. So by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, you're still going to need a light jacket out there, but something you can shed later on because you're not going to want it for long. It's really going to continue to warm up from there. Even with that though, for your day tomorrow, lots of sunshine. So the clear skies stick around overnight in through tomorrow morning. So lots of sun out there to start off your Sunday. And then in the afternoon, same general story into your evening. Sunshine all day long. So it's looking pretty gorgeous. You're going to have a really nice and pleasant day coming up. High temperatures along with this going to be getting up to around 80 degrees for many of us, or the upper 70s. I mean, not too far off either way, but feeling very similar to today. It's going to be pretty much the same forecast in that regard. So sunshine, upper 70s, low 80s, looking pretty phenomenal as far as the forecast is concerned. You're going to love it. If you wanted a couple more degrees tacked on top of that, just wait until Monday. Monday is the warmest day of the week. We're going to see low 80s actually as we get to Monday, so everybody's going to get to a little bit warmer at that point. And then we start to slide and cool down a bit more here as we get into the middle part of the week. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, especially Thursday and Friday, getting to the mid-50s. Mid-50s, that's the coolest we've seen it so far this season. And don't forget, that's your high temperature in the day. So if your lows tonight around 50, our warmest parts are going to be at that point soon. So it's going to be very, very cool those days. Now, we're not there quite yet. We still have the heat to get through first. So if we look at some records that are going to be set on Monday, or could be set, Portland, Bangor, Augusta. Augusta's most likely 84 degrees we're forecast for. 78 was the record set back in 1963. So we should likely break that one. Could tie the one in Bangor. Otherwise though, this high is really continuing to keep us nice and warm here over the next couple of days. So it's going to continue on that path out there until the cold front starts to move towards us here as we get to Tuesday. Tuesday overnight into Wednesday morning. We're going to have some showers actually rolling through with that. Much needed rain that we're going to start to see at that point in time, but they wrap up by about lunchtime on Wednesday. So not an all-day event, but we are going to start to see some rain that we really desperately need. About 1/4 to 1/2 inch is what we're expecting out of this system. Nothing crazy, but hey, it's something I'll take what we can get at this point in time because we haven't really had much. Seas 2 to 3 feet for your day tomorrow. Winds out of the east at 5 knots, and that water temperature is going to be 60 degrees. Here's looking out for the rest of the week for you. Lots of sunshine here over the next few days, looking pretty phenomenal, honestly. Monday, really looking like summer with 84 degrees and lots of sunshine. As we go through the rest of the week, some overnight showers Tuesday into Wednesday morning and wrapping up by about lunchtime. Same general story along the coastline. The big thing we're going to notice is the heat here over the next few days. And then as we get into Thursday, Friday, everything really cools off quite a bit more. So we're going to see it really getting quite a bit cooler at that point in time.
All right, thank you.